Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of editing a shortcut name in Chrome on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. To begin, open the Chrome browser on your PC. Step 2. Once Chrome is open, locate the shortcut you want to edit under the search bar. Hover your cursor over the shortcut without clicking on it. Step 3. After hovering over the shortcut, click on the More option that appears as 3 vertical dots. This will open a drop-down menu with additional options. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, select Edit Shortcut. This will allow you to make changes to the shortcut's name and other details. Step 5. In the editing mode, rename your shortcut according to your preference. Simply type in the new name for the shortcut and press Enter to save the changes. And there you have it. By following these 5 simple steps, you can easily edit a shortcut name in Chrome on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more helpful tech tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.